Hey there, foodies and kitchen enthusiasts! Ready to take your cooking game to the next level? Well, buckle up because we're about to embark on an exciting journey through the world of the best electric pressure cookers of 2024. Get ready to discover the warmth and convenience these magical kitchen gadgets bring to your culinary adventures. I have listed my top picks for electric pressure cookers that'll make your cooking experience a breeze. From whipping up hearty stews to crafting mouth-watering desserts, these pressure cookers have got you covered. And guess what? You don't have to break the bank to get your hands on one. Join us as we explore the features, functionalities, and of course, the unbeatable prices of these fantastic kitchen companions. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, there's something here for everyone. So grab a snack, sit back, and let's dive into the world of hassle-free cooking with the best electric pressure cookers of 2024. And remember, the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Happy cooking! Number 5. MasterChef Electric Pressure Cooker. For the best reliable, efficient cooker that can do it all, I recommend giving this Buddy electric pressure cooker a try. It's a sleek 6-quart cooker made of stainless steel in a stylish black and silver finish. What makes this cooker stand out is its versatility. It's not just a pressure cooker, it's a 10-in-1 multi-cooker. Yep, you heard that right. It can do everything from pressure cooking to slow cooking, sorting to making yogurt. With its preset functions, cooking becomes a breeze. Just choose your setting and let the cooker do its thing. Plus, it's a time saver, reducing cooking time by up to 70%. Worried about losing nutrients? Don't be. This multi-cooker preserves the goodness of your ingredients while cooking them quickly. And the best part? It's easy to clean. The stainless steel inner pot is removable and dishwasher safe. Number 4. Instant Pot Rio. For the best efficiency and safety features, this is the one I recommend the most. It's a sleek 6-quart cooker with a matte black finish that adds a touch of modernity to your kitchen. What's cool about this one is its updated design with an anti-spin inner pot, making sorting and stirring a breeze. Plus, the easy-to-use control panel keeps you in the loop with a cooking progress indicator. With 7-in-1 functionality, this pot is a multitasking champ. Pressure cook, slow cook, make rice or yogurt. You name it, it does it. And with 13 customizable smart programs, cooking your favorite dishes is a snap. Whether you're in a hurry or taking it slow, this pot has you covered. Cook up meals 70% faster than traditional methods or take your time with home-style recipes. Clean up? No problem. It's fingerprint resistant and dishwasher safe, including the lid, inner pot, and accessories. Safety's covered too, with over 10 safety features and a safe locking lid. Perfect for families or meal prepping. This pot cooks for up to 6 people. Number 3. Comfy Electric Pressure Cooker. If you're looking for best versatility, convenience, and safety in one package, this Buddy electric pressure cooker is definitely worth considering. It's a 6-quart cooker made of aluminum, sleek and black with a metallic finish. This cooker is a real multitasker, offering 9 functions in one. From pressure cooking to making yogurt and even baking cakes, it's got you covered. With 14 preset functions, cooking becomes a breeze. Whether you're making meat, broth, beans, or oatmeal, just a few steps and you're done. Safety's a top priority too, with 10 reliable safety features, including overheat protection and a lid safety lock system. And check this out, there's a 24-hour delay timer, so you can set your recipes in advance and enjoy gourmet dishes whenever you want. Plus, it comes with 6 handy accessories to make your cooking experience even better. Spoon, ladle, measuring cup, you name it, it's included. Number 2. Hamilton Beach Electric Pressure Cooker. Looking for the best flexibility, control, and ease in your cooking, this electric pressure cooker is the way to go. It's an 8-quart stainless steel cooker, looking sharp in metallic stainless steel. What's awesome about this one? Well, it's like having 7 appliances in one. From pressure cooking to making yogurt, it's got all your cooking needs covered with 12 preset programs. With pressure cooking, you can get dinner on the table up to 70% faster. And here's the kicker, it's got dual pressure modes for more flexibility. Low pressure for delicate foods, high pressure for meats. No more overcooked meals. Thanks to true slow cook technology, your slow cooker meals come out just right every time. And cooking, easy peasy with 12 preset cooking programs. From meats to cheesecake, it's got you covered. Clean up, a breeze. The removable non-stick pot is dishwasher safe, and the stainless steel exterior whites clean in a jiffy. Plus, it comes with handy accessories like a roasting/steaming rack, rice paddle, and measuring cup. Number 1. Nesco NPC9. And this stands out as my top pick for the best overall. It's a 9-course aluminum cooker looking sleek in stainless steel with chrome and matte finishes. What sets this cooker apart is its versatility. It's designed for pressure canning, pressure cooking, steam cooking, and slow cooking. Plus, it comes with standard and high-altitude limiting valves, offering you more control over your cooking process. With its digital display and preset programs, you'll get consistent results every time, whether you're canning fruits, jams, pickles, or salsas. The 9.5-quart chamber can hold and process a good amount of jars at a time, making your canning process efficient and convenient. Safety's covered too, with a safety lock lid and automatic float valve ensuring everything fits correctly and pressure is managed safely. And to top it off, it comes with handy accessories like a canning rack, steam rack, and a removable condensation catcher for easier cleanup. Alright folks, that wraps up our journey through the best electric pressure cookers of 2024. I hope you found some great options to level up your cooking game. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow foodies, and hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated with all of our latest content, tips, and reviews. Happy cooking!